Welcome, my friends. Imagine finding a mysterious black stone out in nature, or suspecting that you own one of the strangest and rarest types of diamonds on Earth, the raw black diamond, also known as Carbonado, which is said to have cosmic origins. How do you know if it is the real deal and not just a fake piece of basalt or hematite? Today, using a single ingredient found in every kitchen, white vinegar, we will learn a smart and simple DIY method to tell them apart. This test is based on a basic scientific principle. Raw black diamond consists of extremely hard, pure carbon that does not react with acids, whereas most of its lookalikes are rich in carbonates or iron oxides that react quite easily. To perform the test, all you need to do is clean the stone thoroughly with soap and water to remove any dirt, dry it completely, place it in a small, clear glass bowl, and pour enough white vinegar over it until it is fully submerged. Ideally using warm vinegar to speed up any reaction. Now, watch the stone closely for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you notice tiny gas bubbles rapidly fizzing from its surface, or if the vinegar starts changing color to yellow or brown, that is a definitive sign that it is not a diamond, but rather a calcareous rock or an iron-rich mineral prone to decomposition. However, if the stone remains completely inert and the vinegar stays crystal clear, this is an excellent, positive indicator that your stone might actually be a real black diamond. But be very careful, friends, the vinegar test is purely an exclusion test for fakes and doesn't give a 100% final confirmation, as other stones like basalt or black tourmaline might not react to it either. Therefore, if your stone passes this challenge, I highly recommend combining it with other tests, such as checking its specific gravity or doing a scratch test. Give this method a try, let me know your results in the comments below, and don't forget to support the channel by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. See you in the next adventure. Goodbye.